multi-level conditional statement. Let us deal with one more example of multi-level conditional statement. This time, we write flowchart and Python program to input basic salary of an employee and calculate his gross and net salary according to the following. So your conditions are there. We will go through the condition. So if he enters basic, certain percentage of basic will give you, I think, 20% or so, DA, then HRA 10%, then IT is here, and gross and net. Net would be gross minus income tax would give you the net. So this is the report we would like to have. So let us see. Now the whole program is like, if the basic salary is less than 10,000, HRA is equal to 20, DA is equal to 80%. And if the basic salary is less than 2,000 but greater than 10,000, so HRA is going to be 25%, DA is going to be 90%. If basic salary is greater than 20,000, HR is equal to 30 and DA is equal to 95%. And IT, so we have here we have calculating HRA and DA. So there is a separate slab for IT. So IT is 7% if the basic salary is 10,000, it is less than equal to 10,000, 7%. If IT is equal to 500 plus 15% for the amount greater than 10,000 and less than 20,000. So we have to calculate for this amount and then add it to 500. And if the IT is equal to 1,800 plus 20% for all the amount above 20%. So this is, you have to calculate this in the same sequence. So then you calculate gross pay. Gross is equal to basic plus DA plus HRA. Net pay is equal to gross minus IT. So let us see. So first we enter basic. Then I asked if it is basic is less than equal to 10,000. As I said, DA is equal to basic into 80%, HR is equal to basic into 20%, and IT is equal to basic into 7%. That is how we calculate if the basic is less than equal to 10,000. Next option is it is more than 10,000 but less than 20,000. 20,000. So then what happens? Basic DA is equal to 90% of basic, HRA is equal to 25% of basic, and IT is equal to 500 plus 15% of the amount greater than 10,000. Please note this one. The third option is, if it is naturally, third option is going to be greater than equal to 20,000. So then it is basic is DA is equal to 95% of basic, HR is equal to 30% of basic, and IT is equal to 1,800 plus basic minus 20,000. For that amount greater than 20,000, I calculate at the rate of 20%. So this is the flow chart for that, and then you print gross and then net salary. So this is the flow chart. With that, let us see. We input employee ID, get the name of the employee, and get the basic. So these are the only three inputs. And here you can, if the basic is less than or equal to 10,000, then you calculate is DA, HRA, and IT according to the formula. If it is basic is less than or equal to 20,000, that is equal to 20,000 but greater than 10,000. So you calculate DA, HRA and IT as it was mentioned earlier. Else is DA is equal to 95% of basic, HRA is equal to 30% of basic, and IT is equal to 1,800 basic minus 20,000 and 20% of that. Then you calculate gross and then net, and then you display. So you display, so your pay slip is here. So that is a part of the program. So print EID and the name, basic, then print the DA, HRA, IT. I put the 0.2F, that means 2 decimals. So floating number. So then gross salary is floating number, net salary is floating. For example, here EID I have entered, name Sharon, and then basic salary is 15,000, DA is 13,000, and then HRA is equal to so much, IT is equal to so much. Gross salary is here, and this is the net salary. So this is how we work out or calculate the gross and net salary. As you see, it is a multiple conditional statements. if, elif, else. As you see here, it is if, elif, and else. And as you see, please note always semicolon here, and then you have to indent your code. All this should be in the same column. Thank you.